Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Akmalina binti Nur Asri. Today I want to present about data mining in social media. What is data mining? The data mining is the process of sorting through large data set, identify pattern and establish relationship to solve problem through data analysis. Um, Data mining also associate rule are created by analyzing data for frequent if or then patterns, then using the support and confidence criteria to locate the most important relationship within the data. Data mining is referred to as information harvesting, knowledge mining, knowledge discovery in database or KDD, data dredging, data pattern processing, data archaeology, database mining, knowledge extract and software. Data mining also is a process of analyzing data from any different dimension or angle and summarizing it into useful information that can be applied in different fields to take proper decisions. And then we go through what is social media. Social media is defined as a web-based application group building on the ideological and technological foundation of Web 2.0 and enabling the creation and exchange of user-generated content. Social media also is defined as a conglomerate of different types of social media sites including traditional media such as newspaper, radio, television, and non-traditional media. Social media provide users with an easy-to-use way to communicate and network with each other on an unprecedented scale and at rates not seen in traditional media. The popularity of social media continues to grow exponentially, leading to the evaluation of social network blogs and so on. Data mining in social media. Social media mining analyze and extract patterns or correlation or trends from raw social media data. For example, social media usage, online behavior, sharing of content, connection between the individuals, online buying, and so on. This pattern gives valid information to company, government and non-profit organization to design their strategy or introduce new program, product or service. Social media of data mining is used to uncover hidden patterns and trends from social media platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and others. This is typically done through machine learning, mathematics, and statistical techniques. Okay, this is example of the data mining model in social media, which is data prediction, classification, regression, time series, descriptive, clustering, summarize, association, and sequence discovery. Association is a simple correlation between two or more items, often of the same type, is used in the association to identify patterns. The straightforward data mining techniques is very well and better. Classification is a process in which classification is performed on the basis of supervised learning on the training set and the values using the decision tree, neural network, and classification rules. Prediction. Prediction is one of the data mining techniques used to analyze past event or instant and predict the future of an event, such as predicting the failure of component or machine or identifying fraud or predicting company profits. Discovers the relationship between independent variable and the relationship between dependent and independent variables. Clustering. Clustering is a way of finding similarities between data according to their characteristics and form the cluster based on the unsupervised learning. image processing, pattern recognition, city planning, etc. are some of examples under clustering. Sequential discovery. It is a data mining technique used to identify trends or regular occurrence of similar events. Time series analysis is a method of using statistical techniques to explain a time-dependent series of data points and generate predictions for future events based on known past events. Regression. It is used to map a data item to a reveal to a real value prediction variable. In the regression technique, target values are known. Summarization is abstraction of data. For example, a set of relevant gives an overview of data. How it's work. Then the data need to be collected and processed. This is data that is publicly available, which may include age, sex, race, geographic location, job profession, school you attend, language you speak, friends and connection network you belongs to, and more. Then there's the unstructured content of what you post on social media, like tweets, comments, status updates, which is mainly what business firms and agencies are looking to mine. So if the profiles are completely public, just understand this is generally fair game for social media data mining. Then a variety of data mining techniques are applied. Some techniques may utilize machine learning, some may not. This is all depend on how deep the miners are looking to explore. Finally, all of these insights need to be visualized in a way so that it can be interpreted. While there are variety data visualization tools to use, social media analytics often provide its own visualization options.